Hi guys, this is Jason Matthew from WeCanEduTech, where we make using technology in education simple. Today we're going to be looking at how to share your video from your computer on Zoom. You could have always done this, but with the recent update in February 2021, Zoom version 5.5 and later, you can now do it in a more seamless way. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. There's just one catch. When you are sharing your video, the maximum video resolution you can have is 1080p. I tried 4K and higher and Zoom wouldn't allow it. So just remember, keep your video resolution 1080p or lower. Also, the file formats that Zoom likes to use will be .mp4 or .mov files. And the good news is that most video software will give you that output, either a MP4 or a .mov, so you should be fine. All right, so I click on my Zoom desktop client, I go to my meetings, and I start my Zoom demo meeting. I click join with computer audio, and now I shall wait for the participants to join. Okay, so Stan has entered the waiting room, so I just click admit. So now Stan is in the meeting. So I scroll to the bottom to my control bar and I click on share screen. And then I'm going to go to the advanced options. I'm going to click on the advanced tab. And there, if you have version 5.5 and later, you will see that there is now a video option. Now look at here, it has share sound and optimize for video clip. And if you're sharing a video, normally check this. But look at what happened when I click on video. It automatically checks for itself. And then when I click on share, it's going to ask me, well, what video you want to share. So my tip for you is to always keep that video easily accessible that you want to share. So for me, I always put my videos on the desktop. So I click on the video and then I click open. Look at what happens on the participant screen. So I just click open and now it's completely shared on the participant screen and it's full screen. And all you have to do now is go and click on the play button. So as I click play. Hi guys, this is Jason Matthew from WeCanEduTech. This is a quick video demo. I'm on my WeCanEduTech blog. I click on the blog post on blended learning. And I'm just going to scroll down so that we can just quickly look at the blog post. And it's easily shared there. And then when I'm finished, I can always click stop share. So that's it guys, quick and simple. Please have a look at my other videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.